the final installment of the MOAS Summer Baking Series. Today I'm going to be giving you the ingredients that you'll need to bake along with me to celebrate National Lemonade Day. We're going to be making a frozen lemonade pie. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. It's not much, so here we go. You're going to need 1 pre-made graham cracker crust, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 12 ounces of whipped topping, 6 ounces of frozen lemonade concentrate, and then 1 lemon. So those are the ingredients that you're going to need. It's not much. It's a really easy no-bake recipe. If you want to make your own crust, that's completely fine. You can do that. But we're going to make the last bake really easy with the pre-made crust. So those are the ingredients that you're going to need, and I will see you guys on National Lemonade